Hey guys, Irene here. Today I have another behind the scenes video, but we're doing it with a little bit of a twist. I'm going to be shooting with my regular setup, which costs around $4,000 to $5,000, and my very first camera. This is Canon XSI with a Canon 50mm 1.8. You can pretty much buy it for around $300, so we're gonna kind of compare the really expensive and the really cheap setup, and also show you how you can get some really nice pictures with only this. Also, we have a beautiful model, Courtney, for today. I will leave her Instagram in the description down below so you guys can check her out. And yeah, let's get started. Okay, look at me here. Oh, here we go. Okay, this is a nice spot. So get a little bit more this way. Yeah. Let's see. Oh, that's beautiful. I love that. Oh, I love this. That's gorgeous. Okay, so stay like that because I'm gonna take the same on this camera. All right, let's see what it looks like. What I hate about this camera is there's only like, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 focusing points, which is absolutely ridiculous.
The sound of it.
I know, it's a little bit different. It's also hard to see on this thing. It's like, is it there? All right. To make these pictures look really nice, again, I'm kind of trying to find some of the branches that are kind of like in front of the camera, or some that are really far. It's gonna create that like 3D look, and gonna make even this setup look really nice with lots of like bokeh. Can you move just a little? Yeah, that's it. Yeah, that looks really nice. That's beautiful. Oh, I love that. Oh my God. So because there's only few of these focus points, I have to do focus and recompose on this. So I go with the focusing point, I put it at the very top, focus on her eye, and then I move my camera to kind of get my composition the way I want it to be. And the cool thing is that because this is a crop sensor, the 50mm almost looks like my 85 on this, so we should have a pretty good comparison. Yeah, that looks awesome. Okay, let's take some with my 85, just the same ones that you were doing right now. Now, here's where we're gonna see a big difference. The 85 will obviously blur out the background a lot more than that 50. Can you put it more off the shoulder and just kind of go with the shoulder towards me? Yeah. Oh, that's beautiful. That's beautiful. Oh, I love when you're just like very strong like that. Yeah. This thing is, I kind of like it, but it's kind of too much. Here. Just on you. You stay in here. Yeah, I think I like it better without that thing in there. So it's just like a little bit too much, a little bit too distracting. Chin down just a little bit more. Yeah. So what I'm trying to do is just find a lot of interesting things to put in the shot so that if the quality is maybe not that great, we can kind of distract with everything around the model. And in this case, I do want them to be quite in focus rather than super blurred out. So I think they're gonna look really nice on this setup. And I'm still shooting at 1.8, so there still should give us a little bit of bokeh. Go even more on with your shoulder, yeah. I want to see a little bit more of your eye over here, yeah. Yeah, oh, that right here looks really nice. There was this one picture that I've had in my saved forever, and it's of this girl laying in similar leaves like that. Okay, let's get them cleaned. Okay, let me just see where I want to do too, because
the lighting.
Yeah, the lighting has to be nice. I feel like in the shade, somewhere over here would be good. Also, we need something to prop your head on. A pillow? On the swing, there's a pillow. Can you grab it? Yeah. This, I might need a different lens though. I'll grab my 35 for a sec. Can you get up a little bit? Okay, here we go. Yeah, you can lay down. Oh, that looks exactly, okay, that looks really cool. Can I grab more of your hair? Okay, here we go. Just need to cover your dress just a little bit more. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3. And look, and just kind of move your head a little bit. And just looking straight. Can you put your head more straight?
Like this?
Yes.
Okay.
Chin up just a little bit. And just open your eyes, yeah. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Sorry.
Close your eyes, close your eyes. 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3. The light in here is buttery. So what I like, why I chose this, because it's gonna give us a nice leading line straight up to the model. And also, it's always easier for girls to model when they have something to do, you know, lean onto something, grab onto something, rather than just standing and trying to figure out what to do with their hands. It's always, looks a little bit more natural. Yeah, I love that. Yeah, if you hold the jacket, that looks really nice. All right, so again, because of those leading lines, we should get pretty nice blur in the background and in the foreground if we kind of get this into the shot. So let's see if we can make this work and look as nice as my other camera. Looks really good. Go a little bit more with your shoulder towards me. Yeah, or get even closer to it, kind of yeah, I like that a lot. Oh, that looks amazing. Yeah, hold it just kind of like this. Yeah. Oh, no, hold it like this. Yeah. Let's do it kind of like that. That looks beautiful, just right there. Oh, that's it. Bring this a little bit higher. Yeah, and just eyes. So keep your head just like it was, chin down like that. Just your eyes at me. Grab this hand a little bit higher. Yeah, that's it. But how you had, yeah. Chin down just even more. Oh, the wind. Look, just a little bit on the side. Yeah. So I just finished editing this video and the pictures, and even for myself, I again realized that it's not about the camera. I mean, don't get me wrong, I do enjoy the quality of the full frame camera, but a great picture is so much more than buttery bokeh and specs. It's all about the mood, the composition, and the lighting. So I hope that if you do not have the most expensive camera in the world, that won't discourage you. So many people do think that they absolutely need an expensive camera, and that's simply not true. Okay, so this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I also hope that these pictures actually turn out pretty good, and I'm kind of excited to see the comparison myself. Again, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to check out Courtney, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!